Let's take it over to Mike Patton, the head trader at Funder Trading, for the final trade of the day. Mike, tell us about your stock pick.
All right. So my trade of the day is the symbol OKTA, Okta. They are a software company based out of San Francisco. Have about 5,900 employees. But what's really impressive right now about this company is where it's at price-wise. Now, if we look at the chart, it's been down recently. There's no question about that since the last earnings release. However, it looks like right now the stock is at a good price point. It's trading around $93 a share. And I do see significant upside from here. Their earnings have been improving over time. They have some good projections of future growth. And at this stage, I would say upside potential is at least to $123 a share, probably closer to $130 a share in the near term. However, to the downside, if things do not play out the way that I expect, I would say if the stock gets down to somewhere around $85 a share, maybe a little lower than that, probably at the worst case down to $80 a share, I would say that would be a good evidence that the upward momentum, the bullish case, is no longer there, and therefore we should take corrective action.
So much is being thrown at the stock market lately, and yet it's doing
fine. Yeah, exactly. I don't see the thing I have to always point out to everyone is that most scenarios have already been worked out by the people who have the money to invest. So therefore, they've already figured out what they feel the vulnerabilities are. So I believe everything potentially. I mean, you can't factor every little thing in, but I think the bulk of what is possible has already been factored in months ago. So now it's just a matter of whether or not things continue to agree with expectations or not. So I still see upside potential in the markets. And also it was noted in an article I read that a lot of the money out there that's been looking for a time to buy, they've been more or less timing their entries, looking for opportunities. So there's a lot of money out there that seems to be sitting on the sidelines waiting to get back in. And I think one thing I do know about the market is the more it goes up, the more people don't want to miss out. So therefore, I think we definitely have a lot more upside that can be achieved in the next couple of years, but we'll see.
Great information. Thank you, Mike.